Well, lucky him. Missed him. There's this one. Lexus. Pretty sure from the colour. He's looking down into his lap.
I think my mum's saying she now wants to drop a day from next
Hide it.
week,
You can
so-
try and hide it. Go on. Your Instagram.
I'm talking to my wife on my phone.
And you're holding it.
But I'm driving perfectly fine.
Well, that's up to the police, isn't it?
Buddy, I wasn't on Instagram. You can see me talking on my phone without looking.
You're holding it. That's what the illegal part is.
Pardon?
You're holding up everyone. Do you want to carry
I'm
on?
holding my phone in my hand.
Carry on, carry on. With Instagram open, you were clearly using it. Carry on, carry on. Everyone's waiting for you.
Mate, I'm not trying to bully.
It doesn't matter. You carry on. I don't want to have any more to do with you. Please carry on, sir.
Why can't we talk?
There's nothing to talk about. Carry on.
Huh?
Carry on.
Why can't we talk?
Carry on.
Why can't we talk?
There's nothing for you to talk about. You've
Let's talk.
I'm not interested. You carry on. I am reporting it to the police.
But I'm not being rude to you. I'm just
No.
talking to you.
Yeah, but you're driving badly. I don't want to deal with you. Please carry on,
I
sir.
was talking to my wife clearly on my Bluetooth. You can hear her on the phone.
Oh, I didn't hear that. I saw you holding a phone which showed
I was
Instagram.
looking forwards. I was holding it in my hand in my lap.
I don't want to argue the point. You can look at it. You can go and look at it. It's not up to me anyway. It's going to be up to the police who...
I wasn't trying to look at it either. I just think it's really unfair. I think it's really
Please carry on. Well, you shouldn't be holding your phone.
I'm talking to you quite fairly. I know what you're
You were using it back there when I passed you the first time, as I saw your eyes down in the phone. I also saw Instagram open.
I was not looking at my phone, and you can see my screen was black.
It wasn't black. I saw Instagram on there, and I'm pretty sure the camera will have seen it too. You might be lucky. You might not be running.
But this is what I'm saying.
You might be lucky. The police might not choose to prosecute you.
No, but I'm just talking. I'm talking to you.
You can't be holding your phone and driving along, mate.
It's just in my lap.
You are holding it in your hand.
And I'm talking to you fairly. Am I not talking to you fairly?
What you can do is when you get home, you can look up the highway code and then you argue with that and the magistrates.
I'm not argue with you. I'm talking
Right.
to you fairly. You seem like you're a reasonable person. You're trying to do something reasonable, but I'm just trying to talk to you.
Right, it's not going to make any difference. The evidence will stand on its own or it won't. That's it.
Have a good day.
You too. I don't hate the bloke, but you know, he's done the wrong thing as far as I saw, and I'm simply not going to make any judgment here any further without seeing the video.
Excuse me, are you like Mike?
I am. How are you doing?
Can I take a photo?
Yes, of course you can. Did you see me arguing with that guy?
I did see.